feel like it's been so long. No, seriously, welcome to Tip Tuesday. I told you earlier we're going to talk about wallets tonight. I kind of have been asking around some of my customers and asking, what do you want to see? And with that said, if you ever have anything that you kind of want to see how a product works, see what all it can hold, whatever, reach out. Let me know. I want to know this stuff, okay? So, right now in the current catalog, because of course it changes slightly sometimes depending on what's going on, we have two wallets available, okay? We have the All About the Benjamins and we have the Perfect Sense wallet. Now this is an old print. You can't get this print anymore, but this color actually is available. So first let's start with showing you the size. So here's the difference in the size. I'll move back a little bit. So the Perfect Sense wallet is a little bit shorter than the Benjamins. I would give you the measurements, but you can find that in the catalog or online if you want that. I figured I'm very visual. I don't know about you. So these are unzipped because I want to be able to show them to you, but they're about the same width. I can tell you both of them will hold an iPhone 8 Plus. Now I don't know all the measurements and such as far as like the iPhone 10s, so I don't know if they'll fit in, but I know an iPhone 8 Plus, I have been told that they will fit in here. So that'll kind of give you an idea, because I know some of us would prefer to hold, and we do have, remember we have the straps, so you can hook a strap onto either one of these, and the beauty of that is then you can just take that into the store, oops, drop some change, that into the store or the post office. I do, or little errands like that and stuff all the time, and of course, like I said, then you can slip your phone in here too. So let's start with the Perfect Sense wallet, okay? That's this one, and you can see in here it has the zipper closure, and then it has a zipper pocket on the front and also a zipper pocket on the back. So and this one, this one's a little smaller here, you can see, but those have those on the outside, so you can slip things in there that you want. You could probably, depending on the size of your phone, fit it in here even. So also, just so you can see, it has 12 credit card slots, it has 2 bill slots and an ID window. You can see the ID window right here. And it comes, or I'm sorry, this one has 10 credit card slots, 4 bill slots, and an ID window. And then it comes in 6 different prints. Again, this is not one of the current prints, but it does come in 6 different prints that are available. And as you can see, it also has a holder for your pen here. So that's kind of nice. So that is your Perfect Sense wallet, okay? Then there's the All About the Benjamins, okay? This is, I'll be honest, I had to borrow the Perfect Sense wallet from Emily Marsley, so thank you, Emily, because I didn't have one, because I love my Benjamin. It's just my preference. We all have our preferences. It's like with the purses. But I love my Benjamins. I have them in multiple colors because I like to coordinate them with my purses. But this one, it also has the zipper closure. Again, either one you can get the matching strap that actually comes separately, but we do have those, okay? And this one has an interior pocket, zipper pocket here. I usually put my change in there and that sort of thing. And you can see there's several other pockets in here, okay? And it has 12 credit card slots, some of them here, some of them on the inside here. Can you kind of see that there? And I love the little polka dots on the inside too. Then it has 2 bill slots and the ID window as well. I put my checkbook in here. So that's where I keep my checkbook. But again, this one can also hold an iPhone. So this one comes in, this is the Calypso Coral Pebble. But it comes in 7 different prints. This is just one of the current ones that it comes in. And again, this is the All About the Benjamins. So there you go. You have your Perfect Sense wallet and your All About the Benjamins. And everybody has their own personality, which is why we offer more than one. So if you have any questions, as per usual, reach out either via messenger, email at denise.hudak@gmail.com, or you could always text or call me too. That's 330-414-0963. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great evening. Oh, and thank you again, Emily Marsley, for letting me borrow this one. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.